Are you guys ready? Our beaded runner, and that is our frosty forest. Here is winter woodland peppermint holly. Let's talk about aprons. This is called Road Trip. This adorable flamingo. Look how sweet. Oh dear, a sweet pine cone. I wanted to do cardinals. We have 20-ounce mugs. Frosty Forest, you better believe it. These are 10-ounce raised pedestals. 2 18-ounce mugs and 2 trays. Our 3-quart oval. A set of 2 9-inch baking rounds. Traditional loaf pans. So set of 2. Winter woodland. Figural coasters. Our Merry Chefs figural patterns and our holiday confetti. Figural stoneware serving baker. Microfiber towels. I know many of you have been requesting that. Mini pies. How sweet is this? Special edition platters. Frosty Forest. A 1-quart. Look how beautiful. Winter woodland. 2-quart. 3-quart. I can't wait for Christmas in July. Bye.